Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the post-match presentation of the CBFS T20 League right here at the Sharjah Cricket Stadium. Before we commence ahead, I would like to thank our sponsors, title sponsor SkyExchange.net, powered by sponsor and official streaming partner FanCode, event partner TCM, toss partner Arba Sports Services, associate sponsor OurSouk.com, support sponsor Toyom Sports Limited, and merchandise partner 7 Districts. This is match number 32, the second semi-finals between TVSL and DCC Starlets. TVSL winning the toss, electing to field first, restricting DCC to 144 runs, which was chased quite comfortably at the end. Commencing ahead, we would be moving on to the awards for the night. The award will be presented by Mr. Tehseen Javed, who is the match referee, and our Souk player of the match undoubtedly goes to Fayaz Ahmed from Vision Shipping for his 3 wickets, just for 11 runs conceded. Fayaz will be receiving a gift hamper from OurSouk.com, and also he will be receiving a 20% discount voucher on all products purchased from OurSouk.com. Fayaz bhai, please. Fayaz bhai, everything going straight right for you from the very beginning. You won the toss, you guys restricted them, and you bowled beautifully. They started off very well. They scored almost 100 runs in the first 10 overs. What changed and how did you restrict them to the score?
First of all, Alhamdulillah, we won the match in the big event, this Sharjah. So we qualified the final. It's a big achievement for first time. We qualified the final in the Sharjah. So about the first 10 hours, they played really well. And when I came on the bowling, so I checked the wicket is quite helpful for me. So I just bowling on my basic and give flight and variation, so it will helpful. So Alhamdulillah, I got wickets there.
So the flight made a big difference. We saw that batsmen were struggling to score runs, and then you put them under pressure and eventually they gave off the wicket. Is this a normal technique that you go by, or today was special because of the pitch conditions?
Yeah, also pitch condition also helpful, and the main thing is just read the batsman. If you read the batsman, so you can know where you have to bowl, exactly the main place. So I do it, and Allah help me.
And DCC Starlets, they have been an amazing team this season. They have started off well as well. After 10 overs, was there some sort of panic that was set in? Maybe they will score 180, maybe 200. How do you stop them? Or were you quite sure from the very beginning that no, the second 10 overs, we will definitely restrict them?
Yeah, this is, they start really well actually. 10 over 100 runs. So we work on our basics. So Nadeem also support me, and Alhamdulillah, everyone work hard. First 10 overs they played really well, and after 10 overs we played very well. We're bowling on the basic and right area, right lines, so it will be helpful for us.
This must be a real morale booster for you, because at one point you weren't sure that you would qualify, but then you beat, which team was that? IGM, by a very big margin, scoring 227 runs and then just restricting them to 67, eventually taking them out of the tournament. And tomorrow you will be facing Pacific Group. What is your strategy going to be, and how are you going to go about with the game?
Yeah, just we play our normal game. We just we didn't take a serious note. Yeah, we just play our game and enjoy the final. So main thing, we didn't take any pressure. So we try to give our best. So inshallah, we try to win that tournament. Inshallah.
Perfect. Thank you so much, and good luck for the finals.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So that is it from the Sharjah Cricket Stadium. Do tune in live tomorrow at 8 p.m. The big final between TVSL and the Pacific Group. That is a match that you do not want to miss. Thank you and good night.